This is Sam Peters. You ready to do some work? Let's do some warm-up exercises and exercises to make ourselves better players. Here's a little click. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And eighth notes go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's do eighth notes and just run our first A minor pentatonic shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. And something you'll see me doing is I'll be alternating my picking. So you want to alternate your picking if possible. So now let's do thirds. To do thirds, you're going to skip a note. So this is our second note. So we're going to skip that note. We're going to go right to the note right below it. And then we're going to go back to the note we skipped and then skip a note. 2, 3, 4. Let's play the same exact eighth notes, but we're going to play sixths. So what that is we're going to skip 2 strings. So you're going to go from the E string to the D string, and then when we get to the A string, we'll go from the A string to the G string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, backwards. Let's play our triplet pattern. Our triplet pattern is basically this. We start on our first note. We go forward 2 notes in our scale. So 1, 2. We go back 1 note. We go forward 2. We go back 1 note. We go forward 2. Back, forward 2. So here we go. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Here we go. Cool. Now we're going to try 16th notes. And the way 16th notes is a lot works is basically you're going to start on your first note. You'll go forward 3 notes, 1, 2, 3, and then you'll go to the note directly above it if you can. So, or the note is close to above it as you can. So like when I end on the 7th fret on the A string, the next closest note will be the 8th fret on the E string. And then when I go forward from there 3 notes, the next available note will be on, so I'm on my D string on the 5th fret, I'll go right above it to the A string 5th fret. So let's put that together. 16th notes are a bit quicker. So 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Now if those are too fast for you, you can work on them at the speed of our 8th notes. So you can go something like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now let's try playing a 5th tuplet. So we're going to play 5 notes basically over the 16th note. So we're going to play 5 over 4 basically. We're trying to play 5 notes within the period of time that there would have been 4 notes. It's a bit quick at 70 beats per minute. But instead of playing it in time, which we're going to do next, we're going to start just at 8th notes and try to get the pattern down. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. And back. So now let's try to play it in time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's play 6 tuplets. So that's quick, but we're going to make it quite easy to play. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically play 3 notes over the first half of the beat and 3 notes over the second half of the beat. 2, 3, 4. So you can also work on that pattern quite slowly. Just down, up, 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 down, up. And the idea is just to go slow and get your hand to loosen up here. It takes a while to kind of get your forearm to let go a bit. I hope you enjoyed those exercises. I hope that helps you on your way to becoming an amazing guitarist. Keep rocking.